What is up, guys? I'm back again. Today we're not going to be working on my stuff. That's still on a little bit of a hold. Other than that, we are going to Chris's house. We need to finish up that turbo hot side for the actual turbo, and also finishing up the wastegate placement and welding the little 2-inch pipe. He got some piping in, so let's quit wasting time and let's head over there. What's up, Chris? What's going on today?
What's up, guys? What's going on?
Stupid. All right, here, hold this up. All right, what are we doing today, man?
We're gonna be doing this turbo manifold exhaust.
We're doing the turbo exit exhaust, right?
Exit exhaust, yep.
So what's the plan?
All right, the plan is we're just gonna try to maybe cut it a little bit right here, just to give us room, so we could just cut it once and just have it shoot down right by the wheel well.
And we're gonna dump it out the fender well?
Yeah, the fender well, yeah.
Okay, we're not doing fender exit or hood exit, right?
Nah, trying to keep it a little bit low key.
Okay, so let's cock the wheel all the way and see how much room we have. All right, I was thinking like having it like right here.
Yeah.
That's gonna contact. And we got this thing up in the air. Let's see. All right, where else can we run this thing?
Out the fender.
Out the fender?
Out the fender.
You want a fender dump?
Nah, that'd be tight though.
All right.
Fender.
Yeah, the only you'll be fine, man, because you're not. Just make sure you don't do any burnouts going this way.
What do you mean?
Like don't do donuts this way.
Oh, okay.
Cause it's gonna put all the exhaust on that tire.
Okay.
You understand? You're gonna have to do donuts the other way. If you want to do donuts, if you want to do dumb shit. All right, so that sounds like a plan, man. Let me see. So we're gonna mock this up a little bit. And we're gonna cut it somewhere. Rough idea. All right, let's go.
So sticky for.
So we need about that much. All right, let's go cut that off. Is that gonna be it? What goes in that hole right there?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nope.
The plug?
I was supposed to. That's where the old ECU went. I had it covered. I had it covered, but the cover fell out.
Okay.
Gotta just cover it again. Nothing goes there though.
I think that's the best, to have it further back, so it doesn't make contact with your tire. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. All right, guys, this is what we came up with. So this is gonna be coming out of the. This is where the V-band clamp is gonna be, and this is gonna be dumping out of the inner fender well. So we just gotta weld those together. But first, we have to make some room on the inside of the wheel tub. So Chris is gonna cut some of this out. He's gonna cut out right there in this corner pocket. And that's gonna work out good. Well, hopefully it works out good. It shouldn't make contact with the tire or anything. All right, Chris, where are we cutting, man?
What do you think?
Yeah, cut that lower part off.
Which
Yeah,
one?
like right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
We can.
All right, let's try it out.
We might have to put a little bit more on.
Roughly like that. No, I need to cut more. So just cut straight. Go like that. Go. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Just cut straight. Where am I gonna stop?
Where the fender exits. So just cut straight. Like you already marked it. Look. See that line? Yeah. Yep. Turn it
Which way?
towards the engine. Towards the engine. Now you gotta turn it. Like angle it. There you go. Yeah. I think that's the best way. So we have to okay, let's tack these two up then. Okay guys, we just gotta weld the V-band clamp to the tube. Okay guys, we're gonna take a quick beer break. That's done. You came prepared today. Look at that. Hell yeah. Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go. Alright guys, we're letting the pipe cool off a little bit. Just because we don't want to warp this flange. Even though this is a pretty big thick flange, we don't want any warpage right now. It's sitting flat on the hot side of the turbo, so we want to keep that nice and flat, but we're waiting for this to cool down. But yeah, that's the outlet turbo dump. It's pretty much done. We just got to trim a little bit off the bottom to fit in the fender well properly. So what's up, Chris?
What up?
Take yourself a beer break, relax, enjoy the moment. This is not a sponsored video, but I wish it was.
Modelo time.
Once again, another beer break by someone that's not sponsoring us. Cheers.
Oh, nice.
Okay guys, we're pretty much done with the turbo exhaust side. So you can see we got the V-band clamp on. This is a 4-inch dump pipe, 3.5-inch V-band clamp, but it's dumping out of the fender. But we still have to do a little bit more to make it work. Let's see if you could. Okay, this is where it comes out. So we got the wheel turned all the way. So it's not making contact right now, but the wheels are off the ground. So we got to trim it just a little bit for it to be perfect. Here, shine this one. Got the marker? So it's gonna be something around those lines. If you guys can see that, we're gonna trim that up just so the tire doesn't make contact with the exhaust piping. But the hot side of the turbo exhaust hot side is pretty much done. It's all welded up. V-band clamp is all welded up as well. Okay guys, we also are finishing up the hot side for the manifolds. So we got the pipe to go off to the wastegate. Let's mark a dot. Start drilling.
It's walking.
Okay, get a drill bit. Get a small drill bit then. You need to make a pilot hole.
That?
Yeah.
You think?
But go straight in. You're going at an angle.
Let me see. Straight in. Like that? Or that angle? Alright, hold the pipe.
Okay.
Can I step on this or not?
Yeah. You gotta go straight in though.
That's straight in right there, you think?
Yeah.
Just like that?
No, but don't. You're going like this. You're gonna make it en bloc. Go straight in.
Okay, so just straight in?
Straight in. Yeah. Okay guys, we marked our tube, so we just gotta grind some of this away. We're gonna grind some of it away with a cutting wheel, and then use the flap disc to strain it out. And this will be the end for the blow off valve, or the wastegate. I'm sorry. So it'll go onto there like so. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but we just got to use a flap wheel and just make it more uniform. Finished product, just clean out the inner edge and go test it out. Okay, now this basically goes like so. Perfect. So then if you look down on the tube, it looks good. There we go. It's the wastegate, little extension part for the crossover.
There it is.
There it is. It's all mocked up. Wastegate is put on. So we're done. We're done for tonight anyway. So that's all completed. We already made sure this fit properly, so don't worry about that. But that's done, we might end up running a little extension pipe off the wastegate just to dump down a little bit, but that's not a big deal. Anything big, it's just a straight pipe that we can cut off.
All right, guys, so we got a lot done today. Me and Jesse were putting in mad work today. As you can see, we got the wastegate, the pipe that goes inside the wastegate. So we finally got that welded up. We also welded up the V-band to it, and then we fully got it clamped on right now. So all we have to really do is just make the dump pipe just to go down underneath the car, but we could get that done. And then we also finished up the turbo exhaust side. We put the V-band on it. We also made it do a nice curve all the way down, and then we also trimmed up some of the fender well. As you can see, well, it's kind of dark, but we trimmed up the fender well. I still got to trim up that pipe, but I'll get that done. And it's pretty much all mocked up, good to go. It's in there solid. And just remember, if you like what you saw today, you could like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And don't forget, you can also follow us at Low Life Yonkes. And thank you guys for everything. Peace.